So, hey guys, welcome to another video. So, sorry if it's echoey. I'm in my sister's old room because she just moved out yesterday. But anyways, she moved out recently, and I'm in her old room. So, someone requested a video of the people in my contacts on my phone, their ringtones. So, the first one is my sister. So, yeah. No, okay, not so loud.
Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new. Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new.
So yeah, that's my sister. And then next is my grandmother. So yeah, her ringtone. I need to change it to something. So yeah, that's her boring ringtone. I'll eventually change it. This is Yogurt for 46. I'm not gonna give that her real name, but yeah.
It's my BFF. It's my BFF. It's my BFF. Best friend forever. It's my BFF. It's my BFF. It's my BFF. Best friend forever. It's my BFF. It's my BFF. It's my BFF. Best friend forever. It's my BFF. It's my BFF.
So yeah, that's Yogurt for 46. And my mummy. She's just titled Mother in here.
Your mother is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. Your mother is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
That's my mommy's. This is my aunt. This one's funny though.
Listen, dear. Hello. Could you please pick up the phone, darling? Really, could you pick it up quickly? You know how annoying it is to those around you who are trying to sleep or read or whatever they're doing, and all they hear is this. Meantime, the sooner you pick up, the quicker I stop talking.
That's my aunt. And yeah. Of course, I'm not giving out their real names, but those are their ringtones. If you couldn't hear it, sorry, I'll have to redo this video. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.